In that role, she's an advocate and a voice for all minorities at all levels. Part of her responsibilities includes making sure that minority health data is available to the community, which is very important. She also does presentations, workshops, focus groups, dialogue, and conversations about minority health. Cheryl works to inform, educate, empower people and community leaders about the factors that impact their people's lives, such as differences in access, differences in the quality of care, differences in opportunity that minorities experience every day, right? That's the whole goal of equity, right? She works to support minority businesses, community-based organizations, and takes action to address minority health-related issues. She has attended Miami Jacobs Junior College of Business, St. Clair Community College, and the University of Tennessee. Cheryl is also a minister of the gospel and a member of Bethesda Temple Apostolic Church, and she is a proud mother and grandmother of 2 adult children, 5 grandchildren, and 2 great-grandchildren. Give it up for Ms. Cheryl Scroggins.
It is an honor to sit on the stage with these wonderful people who have given so much back to the community. I just was listening to some of the bios. I tend to be a little more kind of humble, but I just want to thank my mother and my father, who I love so dearly. My father, who is deceased, who taught us to be proud to be black in America, who taught us what the struggle was for Africans coming through the Holocaust that occurred in this country, and who allowed us to push our chest out and be proud to be black, to stand up and speak up for our people and say what needs to be said in the tough, hard times and not worry about the consequences, because ultimately the price is going to be paid by somebody, so why not me? But I'll get my reward on the other side, and so I'm just privileged to just to be a voice for our people. I want to say that as a result of being a part of my father and mother's family, we were career air. We traveled extensively around this country and out of the country. I was born in Japan, and I think that gave me a well-rounded, well-rounded mentality about people of all colors, all shapes and sizes, and all nationalities. God put us here. We're all a part of a wonderful, beautiful family. And it's a shame that we can't all live together peacefully and grow up to be all that God intended us to be in this life that we have. So thank you for honoring me today. It's a privilege to sit on this stage. I don't take it lightly. And you have encouraged me and motivated me to continue to do what I do in the community. And I thank you. Yeah, well, I'm working with the African American Culture Festival. I'm the vice president of the board. It's an honor to do that. They kind of drafted me into that. They tricked me. Marlon. And I do direct the Health Pavilion. I've been doing that about 6 years, and I really enjoy working with the partners. They come and they give their time freely, their materials. And I want you all to know we are doing free health screenings today. We have the A1, we have blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol, confidential HIV, hepatitis B, and I'm sure I've left some out, blood pressure. They're free, they're over there today, so we hope you'll come over and do that. We're also doing a survey over about minority health, so please come over and complete the survey. Thank you.
Good thanks, Ms. Scroggins. So, this Health Pavilion is very important, right? Because we have disparities in our community, and we need the data to be able to make the case, to get the necessary resources to know what is happening and to be able to address these issues. And so the Health Pavilion is very important, so I encourage everybody to go out, A, for your own personal health, but for B, so we can have a better idea of what is happening in our community, that we can start leveraging the resources towards making a healthier community.
All right, how's everybody feeling? All right, make sure you stay hydrated and get some water from our Trotwood students here. All right, so